Hello everyone. In this video, I will walk you through how I built a cocktail recipe agent using integration procedure combined with Agentforce agent to deliver real-time cocktail recipe on demand. Integration procedure is the new action type recently introduced within Agentforce agent, and it opens up a lot of exciting possibilities. But before diving into how it works, let's jump straight to the demo. So I'm in my Agentforce builder, and I have given a name cocktail agent to my agent. And when we open up the conversation preview model, you will see a friendly welcome message. Cheers, I'm your cocktail expert. Ask me for any drink recipe you want. And here now let's try some example. So I'll ask question, how do I make a margarita? Once I ask this, agent will call the integration procedure, pass the cocktail name, and fetch the response and display the response. Here you can see that it giving a response saying here are few variation of margarita you can try. Classic margarita, it gives ingredient and the instructions as well. Then blue margarita and so on. So that's so simple to call integration procedure. Let's see now how it works. When I enter the how do I make a margarita, that's the user prompt. You can see in the center we have all the sequence of event. So the user prompt, how do I make a margarita, then reasoning engine picked up the topic, right? And based on the utterance, it picked up the right topic. It picked the topic cocktail recipe inquiry, and based on that topic it picked up the action which is called POC agent cocktail, which is our integration procedure agent action. After that, it passed the cocktail name as Margarita as input to the integration procedure, receive the output, and perform some reasoning and generate the response. So that's the sequence of event that's happening here. Let's see how we have connected the agent with the integration procedure. And before seeing that, let's look at how the integration procedure looks like right now. So this is my integration procedure in which I have three nodes. First node is HTTP action, which will call the cocktail API by passing the cocktail name. Once we get the response, we are transforming the response in a better way. Once we get the transformed response from the data mapper transform action, we are sending back that response. Let's preview it. So the input that this integration procedure is expecting is cocktail name, and we are, for testing purpose, we are passing margarita here. And if I click execute, it will pass this name margarita to fetch cocktail or cocktail HTTP action, and then it get the response, transform and send back the response. We can see the response by selecting this. This is the response we are generating at the end of the integration procedure, which has the list of all the cocktails specific to margarita. Now let's see how we configure this integration procedure for Agentforce agent. Now in the preview mode, we have this button enable configure Agentforce. Once you click on it, it will ask you for input JSON request, which is nothing, the input that you are passing to your integration procedure. So we just pasted, or it automatically picked up sometimes. So it picked up the input JSON request, and on the right hand side, it automatically detect the data structure. Cocktail name is the node name and the type is string. We click on verify data, click next. Then it picked up the output JSON response as well, and it automatically structure the data. That drinks is an array, then it has each item, and each item has a node, instruction, glass, ingredient 2, and so on. And it picked up the right type of data type against those nodes. We can verify and hit save. And once you activate this, your integration procedure is ready to be used inside the Agentforce agent. Now let's see how we can use it. I'll go back to my Agentforce builder. Here I'll click on agent, And I click on topics. Once you click on topics, my topic is cocktail recipe inquiry. I click on this and I have configured an action against this topic. And to view that, I'll click on this topics action. Here I have agent action label POC agent cocktail. This is the integration procedure agent action. And to see how it works, let me create a new action here just to show you how you can select the integration procedure as a action type. From the drop down, now you can see we have an option of integration procedure. Once you click on this, you can pick up your integration procedure. So that's how I have connected this action to my agent. And here inside this, I have given the input instructions, output instruction, and I have said that the cocktail name will be required input, and we are showing the output that's coming from the integration procedure in the conversation. So that's how it works. And that's pretty much for this video. Thank you.